The King, Gordon Ryan, and I just went live. If you missed us live, do not miss out again. Click that link and watch the replay now.
If you're content with taking silver, maybe this isn't for you. But if you want gold, watch that replay now.
The replay will be up for a very short amount of time. Do not miss out again. Click that link, check it out now. Timothy asks, as far as investing, are you a growth or a value investor? Well, I'm both at different times. I try to be a value investor when there's great opportunities to do so. And then occasionally you find opportunities that I don't want to buy things that are overpriced, you know? It doesn't make sense. The valuation has to make sense. And I would never bet against Elon Musk. I think Elon's, maybe the best entrepreneur ever. I'm not sure. He's right up there. I don't know who is a better entrepreneur. The guy's done amazing things. I would never want to bet against him, but Tesla's trading at 295 times earnings. 295 times earnings. And I can't wrap my head around that. Like, how do I spend money on that? Meanwhile, if you go look at, Apple, Google, Microsoft, they're trading at 35-ish times earnings. So Facebook, slash Meta, trading at 28 times earnings right now. How do I buy Tesla and not Meta when it's trading for 10.5x higher multiple? I can't get my head around that. It doesn't make sense to me. So, so some people, you could argue that I look at Meta as a value stock relative to some of those others, that it's underpriced relative to some of the others I mentioned. But I also think it could be a big growth stock. Zuckerberg's putting a lot of money into AI, over $100 billion, maybe $200 billion.
He's poaching everybody right now.
Yeah, he's building the best AI team in the world. That's his goal. And he has a huge budget to do it. And Zuckerberg knows a lot more about computers than I do. So, am I going to build a better tech company than him? No, I own some of his stock because I do think it's undervalued, and I think there's a good growth opportunity there for the future. If he does anything, if he has any significant outcome with this AI team, it's only trading at 28 times earnings. So, what if the earnings went up 50%, and there was a significant growth as well, meaning the earnings had a high probability to grow more in the future. If the thing was trading for 100 times earnings, which doesn't sound ridiculous relative to Tesla at nearly 300 times earnings. So if Facebook was trading at 100 times earnings and the earnings went up only 50%, then the stock would go up about 6x from where it's currently at. So, you can think about that as a value investment or a growth investment. Maybe it's a hybrid of both. Depends how you want to think about it. It doesn't matter how you categorize value versus growth. I know a lot of people like to play that game. I'd have to buy things that make sense, that the business argument makes sense. So I don't think of myself as either the pure value investor or growth investor. I think, well, does the thing make sense? What are the other available opportunities in the stock market? What's the statistical probability of A versus B versus C versus D? And that's how you have to think about it. Brad says, hard work isn't something I shy away from. I train jiu-jitsu 4 days a week on top of working 7, taking care of my wife and kids. I'm just curious, where do you start to direct your energy in that situation? You have an opinion about this? Takes care of his wife and kids, works 7 days a week, jiu-jitsu 4 days a week. What should he do with his life?
I mean, it's a general question.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, the central question is where do you want to end up in life? How old are you? What do you want to pursue? What's your job? There's so many unknowns in this question. But I think that you need to have, like we talked about before, I think you need to have you need to have a vision of what you're trying to accomplish. And that's not a question that I can answer for you or we can answer for you. You're going to have to figure out, what your calling is. What is your purpose here? Is it jujitsu? Is it something else? Is it, that's a question that you're going to have to answer. And the main thing is that you want to position yourself, however it may be, you want to position yourself to be at a point where you have the freedom to do exactly what you want. But as far as where you want to go in life, that is a question that is only going to be answered from within. We can't answer that for you. But you need to develop some kind of a vision of where you're trying to go, and then a logical line of thought on how to get from point A to point Z.
If you don't know what you want, you'll never get there. And you have to set your own goals. Nobody can set a goal except you, because you have to work towards it every day. And at times that you're not motivated, you have to be disciplined. And if you're disciplined for a period of time, you'll create a habit. And after you habituate a behavior, you never want to lose that. You want to maintain that habituation so you don't have to slip back and start using your willpower again to... Yeah. So you want to go from using willpower, from using motivation to using your willpower to using discipline to habituating the behavior, and then you want to maintain that habituation of the behavior for the rest of eternity.
I mean, it's just like doing jiu-jitsu. Like if you just come in and you've never done jiu-jitsu and you just get thrown into the mix and you have no vision of what you're trying to accomplish, whether it be, you're just training for your first session, or you don't have a vision of what your goals are, what you're trying to accomplish in the next 1 year, 3 year, 5 years. If you don't have a vision, it kind of all falls apart, and it takes so much longer. It's like when we taught that seminar like a couple weekends ago, and most of the people had never done jiu-jitsu before. So instead of just coming in and say, okay, guys, bring it in, we're going to do this, I gave them a vision of what they were trying to accomplish. Okay, well, first of all, what is jiu-jitsu? It's the science and art of control that leads to submission. And then I broke it down into a 4-step system of, first you got to take the guy down, then you got to get past his legs, then you have to work through a hierarchy of pins, and then you got to work to a submission. So before we even started teaching technique, I spent 10 minutes talking about, okay, what are your goals here? What is the vision you're trying to accomplish? Then once they have the goal in mind, once they have the vision, the idea of what they're trying to do, then you can actually tackle, okay, how do I get to those goals? And so really having a vision and having an idea of where you want to go can kind of set you on the path that you're looking for.
If you don't have a vision of what you want, then you can't set a goal to... You don't know the proper use of your time. In economics talk, then you need to be working on the most outward subjective marginal utility curve. That's in for the couple nerds that maybe understand what I'm saying, and the rest of you could learn it in the course. It's like that's the optimal frontier where you would be optimizing your personal happiness. But nobody knows what would make you happy better than you do, man. And your happiness is a function of, more good stuff and less bad stuff. So removing some of the things from your life will give you more confidence, will reduce your pain and suffering, give you more confidence, reduce feelings of shame, anxiety, depression, and then you can set another goal and a bigger goal and a bigger goal and another goal. And you can repeat that process of removing liabilities and adding assets. But you have to set the initial goals, and you have to be responsible for the changing of your goals over time. The King, Gordon Ryan, and I just went live. If you missed us live, do not miss out again. Click that link and watch the replay now.
If you're content with taking silver, maybe this isn't for you. But if you want gold, watch that replay now.
The replay will be up for a very short amount of time. Do not miss out again. Click that link, check it out now.